Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Weichert properties easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure Weichert properties, start by visiting the Weichert website. Click on the login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your username and password in the provided fields. If you don't have an account, click on sign up to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate and select the Properties tab from the main menu. In the Properties section, click on Add New Property. Fill out the property details, including address, price, and description. Upload high-quality images of the property. Ensure all information is accurate to attract potential buyers. Once filled in, review your entries for any errors. Click Save to store the property details. To configure settings, select the Settings option in the dashboard. Adjust preferences for notifications and communications as needed. If applicable, set up integration with other tools or apps. Review your profile settings to ensure all information is up to date. After making changes, click on Save Changes to finalize updates. You can return to the Properties tab to see your newly added listing. To promote the property, share it on social media directly from the platform. Regularly check back to update property status or make adjustments as needed. Consider using insights and analytics provided to improve your listings. This detailed process will help you configure your Weichert properties effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.